Whenever your job site has become sticky and hot, just roll in your portable MovinCool unit and start cooling right away. MovinCool portable air conditioners are suitable for construction places, trailers, tents, temporary offices, and buildings with no central HVAC yet. Just roll it in, set it up, plug it in, and let it work. Get instant relief from the heat and start drying construction materials immediately. Ideal for setting and curing of drywall, compound, grout, caulking, paints, and adhesives, not to mention securing the well-being of your personnel. With MovinCool's accelerated drying technology, industrial-strength blowers pull in large volumes of moist air and push out warm, dry air that can be directed at wet areas, therefore providing faster moisture extraction and drying times than other conventional methods, such as common fans or dehumidifiers. For more information, visit movincool.com/applications.